Lukko tikislautuosa matkati spillisen tikislauatsi.
Jak and Daxter.
Ang usok sa spillang ni Kuya, tamang gilas. At tango pa spillaro akpagal. David kusiniyaro na si Bisoko yun. David kusiniyaro nini. Naman ito piso kakpo. Nangoon na na. No secrets. Never mind. Aku siya kadusang nito minibak ako. Nothing siya pa. What's up?
What do you have in the basket?
Nothing to talk about. Them monsters patrolling the ocean took a bite out of me fishing rig. And now they're gobbling up me catch.
No matter what I try, I can't seem to catch a single fish in this river.
Woo! Maybe it's your breath.
You think you can do better? Try scooping up river fish with a tiny net. I'll give you a power cell. If you can catch 200 pounds of them critters, and then I'll let you with shrimp here use my speedboat to get to Misty Island.
You want to try the challenge? There are two types of good fish to catch. 1 pound fishies and 5 pound fishies. If you miss 20 pounds of good fish, then I'm gonna take me net back from you. There are poisonous eels in this river. Catch even a one of them boogers, and you'll poison the whole darn catch.
Okay.
Here comes a big one.
Bam, bam, bam. Okay. Bam, 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 bam. Hey. Sorry.
Here comes a big one. Looks like you can use it bigger.
Yep. Nope. Nope. Yep. 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 Yep.
Hold steady. You're almost there. Here comes a big one. Hold steady. You did it. You caught 200 pounds of fish. Not bad for a couple of landlubbers.
Here's the power cell I promised. And you can use my boat at the village dock whenever you like.
So, nabasibo. You. No anak na pinusyo. Ay, meron. Whee! Watch out! Watch out! 각다. Mau nốt gì ra? Có độc hành là có sẵn đấy à? Watch out! Watch out! Pinto de tamaño sería saca. Tak kailangan. Nakto na dumingin. Vamos lá, não. Último seria sakakpunga. Inaasan. Gasak. Tinggal susah kan gitu ya. Tunggu makan kedua kak. Siapa menita kak? Pemia sih.
There's little lightning marks on those posts, and there's lightning coming out of that vent over there. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Nope.
We need to get to the top of that tower.
Okay. No reason. Teman-teman, Oras mong aktong ha? River. Thank you. Masabi kao kutariyo na osu.
turn them on. There must be places to turn on the other eco vents as well.
Aktiveret. 눈이 기침으로 ayung ngerang meh. Just a moment. Hey! Just a moment. And that. One, two. Ha ha ha. Nakadakan. Susah. Halo Sevi. Sudikat ako si Babus. Some reason she could.
Let's get up on that machine and break the mirror diverting the precursor beam.
Ako sumbit to ka. Iyakan si.
Scattered all over the jungle must redirect the eco beam. Let's go fiddle with them.
Ako yung tiniyak sa akin at
line up the beam by pointing it at the next tower.
Okay.
Hey, we can follow the beam to find the next tower.
Narusan ni ko na yung saksa ko yung ngayong nila.
We need to charge you up with that blue stuff to get this open.
I like snakes. Just a moment. Hacha! Okay, next.
Let's go to the next tower and reconnect the beam there.
Okay. Sestakom. Ay. Sumunggak doon na. Mochi mo ah. Himmakan. Di mangindak padag. Ay. Ano siya? Kami nga tingin nakpakan. Ah. Yay.
All right! You found all the scout flies in this area.
No reason. Ba-ba-ba-ba-bang. No, chỉ muốn đánh nè. Lock it down. Ghosts. Pengen na ako nagkangisa ka. Now what?
We should go tell that windbag of a mayor that he owes us big time for connecting the village energy beam.
Damakyak pagka tama tumisingin lang. Ama ni Joa ni ino suri dito ada. I know it. Sinaka sumutawas lang nila, ha? No, Jimon.
Wow! Check out that funky sculpture sitting on the rocks over there.
talago. Okay. What's up?
This must be a Precursor oracle like the sage always goes on about. I hope they weren't as ugly in person.
Who awakens the oracle? Wait, one of you has the light within. From before time, I have watched and waited for the true hero to return. Present to me 120 Precursor orbs for each power cell I contain. For your gift, another power cell is yours.
How noisy waka?
Bring to me 120 Precursor orbs, and I will award you a power cell.
Nói chịu quá trời.
Oh, what a wonderful sight! I thank you. The entire village will thank me. Boys, you have restored power to the village and guaranteed my re-election. And for that, my boy, you earned a power cell. So, you want to make a contribution? Good. A sizable one, I hope. You! Oh, it is a sizable contribution. I just hope this power cell adequately represents my gratitude.
Enough power cells to fuel my heat shield. Meet me by the entrance to the fire canyon by climbing the cliff behind the farmer's house. Bring the power cells and hurry. My father says he's seen more lurkers around.
Somehow just dawaj niech se zobaczy ci lubiło. Hi, Quiver.
The bombardment is getting worse. Find the fisherman in the jungle, get permission to use his boat, and get over to Misty Island to stop the cannon. And you, Dexter, you need to get mopping. This place is a mess.
تقريب kamu jadi. Yep. Yaksa kakasinangin naman. Ayaw lang kita may sumang liyang mag... Yung ito na may kanusok ako si Masok. Yan. Hi guys. Jackpot! Ak. Jackpot. Run lebih. Hahaha. I'm Thomas Vampire. Mana tidak makan tak apa. Kamu tu di mana ni? Mana tidak makan? No,
Hurry up with those power cells. I'm waiting at the head of Fire Canyon, at the top of the cliff behind the farmer's house.
Just a moment, Uncle, my love. Husband. Cái hoàng mà trinh ngon này ra đây à?
Great! You have the 20 cells needed to power my heat shield. Now be careful. The shield will only protect your zoomer till it reaches 500 degrees, so try to keep her cool. Flying over open lava will definitely heat you up fast. Hit 500 degrees and it's over.
Over? Like burning molten metal over?
The fire canyon gets pretty hot, so keep a lookout for jumps to keep you off the hot ground. I've also released several blue cooling balloons you can use to drop the shield's temperature quickly. Oh, and when you get across, don't forget to activate the teleport gate in the Blue Sage's lab. Then we'll be able to teleport over and meet you. Good luck!
Misi digan ni bisa bira kayak sugu.
Hit those balloons to cool off!
Okay.
See if we can catch air off those blinkers! There's scout flies out here, too! Use the hop turn to steer harder!
Isang betul suga. Maria sih. Nama tu dikata Daxter daw. Halay. Mbak em anak kau. 방에서 는 거지고 카카이까용이라 아요 생일을 싱아 makaganda na. Yep, you made it. Alright, the film back.
Whoa! I don't think I'll ever get used to that teleporter tingling sensation. Hey! It looks like the Blue Sage threw a party.
Oh my! Rock Village is on fire!
One heck of a party.
No, I mean Rock Village is being bombarded with flaming boulders! Oh, and it looks like the Blue Sage is working on a levitation machine to move them. Assuming it's operational, we're gonna need power cells to fuel it. I guess you two are going to have to find some more.
We'd better take a look at his notes. Jack, go check on the villagers. Then come back and give us an update. And take the furball with you.
Ah, no. Надуллиссаани мас пиллаарумаарпаа наанеартаалерпуасит қуннас наастам писинарларс массисиси тамасипаа таллианма таккус бай бай